Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn unit number 2, lesson number 5. Who are you? Before starting, select 6 students, one for rabbit, one for cabbage, one for carrot, one for tomato, one for vegetable, and one for fox. Now let's get started. Learn, read with me, and enact. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Cabbage started screaming and runs away. Hello, I am a juicy, crunchy carrot. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots. Carrot started screaming and runs away. Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat tomatoes. Tomato started screaming and runs away. Hello, I am a green leafy vegetable. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Vegetable started screaming and runs away. Hello, who are you? I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you? I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbits. Smart white rabbit started screaming and runs away. And fox runs after smart white rabbit. Moral of this act is that never think that you are the most powerful. Only Allah is the most powerful.